Alright, let's see this question. Question number 2. Let's highlight the keywords. Question number 2, we are going to go through the question right now. So I'm going to read through the question before we start. So given that the range of values of P, where is my highlighter? I'm going to make it yellow color. Right, okay. The highlighter that I use is yellow color. Right, okay, let's make it thicker. The range of values of P when the graph of the quadratic function. This is a quadratic function. Cut the x-axis at 2 points. The 2 point is should be equal, right? Unless this is the area. The point is, let me write down the point. It should be the point at negative m/3, and when it is point, it must be equal unless it is the range. Alright, unless they give you the range of the it cut the points at P values of, we have two values of P. Find the values of M and N. Okay, we need to find the value of the M and N's. Okay, that means a quadratic function looks like this. It cut here. I think the negative one is to the left, the positive one to the right, and then if we talk about the region here, it will be follow the range here, right? But now we will focus to two distinct root, right? We have two distinct root. That's why we will shade to the left and to the right. Okay, it's okay. Now let's see. The A is 4. We always read the ABC. The B is 12 minus 4P. We expand first. 4 times 3. 4 times negative B. Okay, expansion. Then C will be 15 minus 5P. Right, this is our ABC. Due to two different roots, two distinct roots, we will use a concept B squared minus 4AC more than 0. 2 is more than. 2 is more than. If equal root, equal. If no root, less, right? Okay, now we are going to substitute. B is 12 minus 4P square minus 4 times 4. C is 15 minus 5P more than 0. Be very careful because it's very, very long. Okay. Now let's expand. 12 square is 144. 2 times 4 is 8 times 12, 96P plus 16P square minus 16. Okay, we have 240. 60 times 4 minus. Then be very careful with this one. This one be very, very careful. This is plus 16 times 5. 80P. Right? Okay. Double check. Now we need to simplify 16P square. This one minus 96 plus 80 is minus 16P. 144 minus 240. We take 240 minus 144, but we know it's negative, right? 6. Here is 396, right? So it's minus 96. It's not equal. It should be more than 0. Alright, before we factorize, we simplify, we divide by 16. So P here 6, right? So now we want to factorize. This is a very simple factorization. So I'm going to make it here plus, right? Minus 3 plus 2 negative, right? Correct. Okay, now we're going to shade the U shape. Negative, go to the left. The P is, let the factor 0, P is negative 2. Let the factor 0, P is 3. Positive, go to the right. Bigger number, go to right. So it's more than 0. That is why we shade here, because of this sign, more than 0. So that means P is more than 3. Another P is less than negative 2. So let's do comparison. The question said P is here, right? This P more than 3 over n. P more than 3 over n. So P more than 3 over n, right? That means we need to do comparison. So we already know that P equal to 3, P equal to 3 over n. We can, at this point, at the point we can make it equal, right? Concept at this point is a point. So only the region, then we will write inequality. So that means 3 over n is equal to 3. The 3n is 3. N is 1, right? Okay, so the other one is negative. We have negative m over 3, right? From the question, we make it equal. So that means m negative, we can cancel the negative, becomes 6, right? So that is how you solve the question involving quadratic function. So this is part A. We have part B, right? So I will discuss the part B in the next video because this is a bit long. Alright, bye-bye and have a nice day. Trigo equation. Firstly, if you substitute the right formula, you will get 1 mark. And then if you factorize, you get 1 mark. And you solve the alpha, you get 1 mark. And the solution, correct, you get 1 mark. So total is 4 marks. That is question 1. For question 2, if you use b squared minus 4ac exactly like this, more than 0, you use a formula like this, no marks. You must substitute correctly. And then you reach the factorization, correct, 1 mark. And you do comparison, K1, and final answer, you will get 1 mark.